It's a hot day in Georgia. We are sweating, ain't we, Karen? Yeah. It's hot. Oh my God, humidity is terrible. It's about 91 here in Georgia, and we're about to die. We got a Mustang here. Somebody has started to convert into a fastback Mustang. We're gonna get her unloaded, show you all the parts and pieces we got. We're gonna work Karen to death today and make her sweat. We're not sure what all goes with this thing yet, but we'll get her cleaned out, get you some pictures of it, and go from there. Like I said, it's a Mustang somebody had started converting it into a fastback. We've got two brand new quarter panels back here for it, and I'll include a picture of those and a video of that. I'll show you all the extra parts we got. It is going to need front floor pans, probably a rear back there. Get you a price on this, post it so you can see what it is. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll try to answer them best we can. We just about got all that inventory hauled in. I think he's got 3 pieces left. They granted us a little bit more time. So we'll start posting stuff. Sorry we haven't been posting things lately. We've been really busy hauling cars. This is some of the parts we've got here. This is all the parts that came in the car. I can't say that this is all the parts that goes with the car yet. Waiting on the hubs to come. Let me know which is what. But we did get it unloaded. We'll go back down the other side of this car here. Let you see this side of it. He'll be back soon. We can answer any questions you want. Somebody looking for a good Mustang, this would be a good place to start. Put it back together.